gold still continues to rise without showing any sign of weakness, except several days ago when the price has formed this bearish candle, returning to 3955.63. From here, the prices continue to rise in value, especially yesterday, where the price has formed a strong bullish candle going above 4092.28. And it is currently heading also further up, rising in value, reaching all-time high price level again and again. The next, what we can see here on the 4-hour time frame, yesterday what has happened. Yesterday, the whole day was a bullish day. We can see that clearly, where the price did not show any sign of weakness, forming any bearish candle. And we can see how the day has started from here with a strong bullish candle, continuing to rise in value, closing also above these open and close price of these candles, and then continue to rise in value further up. We can see that 4092.28 was not also strong resistance because the price had not retraced back down, which means this is the resistance that the price did not respect, and the price continued to rise in value further up, rising and rising, where the next 4182.79 is the resistance located on the chart. What we can expect for today? Well, based on this, what we can see, the price is currently in the bullish mode. There is no sign of weakness, and we can see that starting from 20 of August, the price is rising in value, not showing significant weakness that could push the price back down to the lower price levels. And we can see the price is currently, yesterday, has formed a strong bullish candle, which is indication of the again strong bullish momentum, which is looking to find a new all-time high price level. 4182.79 is the next resistance level, which could be and also could not be respected, and this is something that we need to watch until the price reaches this area of resistance, and then we will see how the price behaves. After that, 4332.59 is also the next resistance level where the price could stop, but this is based on the 4-hour time frame levels with the Fibonacci expansions, and we'll see will the price respect that levels. For now, when these levels were drawn on the chart, price almost respected around these price levels that I have put on the chart. So I'm expecting that the price will also respect these resistance levels around or on this price level. Will the price retrace back down strongly or weakly? Well, everything is pointing that the price will continue to rise in value, and there is no target that the price could reach and then reverse back down. For now, I'm waiting outside of the market, because chasing the market, not knowing where the price could go and stop, it is also very hard to trade. So for now, I'm waiting outside and see where the price will make resistance and support, and then wait for a clear signal. That means bullish or bearish breakouts, indicating further rise or fall in value. So for now, everything looks bullish. All-time high price level is still active on the chart. Every day the price reaches new all-time high, so the gold against US dollar is rising and there is no sign of weakness. So I'm still bullish on the gold. How far, how long, I do not know that, but I will wait for a clear signal for the trading when there is a bullish or bearish breakout, especially on the lower time frame like 4-hour time frame and 1-hour time frame, where I will also put support and resistance levels whenever I see them formed on the chart. That's all for today. See you next time and happy trading.
That is all from today's analysis. I hope you enjoyed. If you have any question, feel free to leave a comment. If you like the analysis, click the like button and subscribe. See you next time and a happy trading.